Hello, welcome to Logo Tutorials. So here in this videos I am going to discuss something about the logo language. Logo, the full form of logo is language of graphic oriented. This language logo is used to do some basic graphics, and it is for the kids, the small children, to learn some idea about mathematics and engineering. The logo is a language just like any other language, but it is having only limited command sets, instruction sets, and it is used to illustrate mathematics in form of engineering drawings. So I believe this language logo, or the language of graphic oriented, will help the small children to build an image in their mind about how the math is working, the distance and the angle concepts especially. So in any language, when we develop some program, the errors are called bugs, and the process of correcting the errors are called debugging. So we have to take off the bugs in our program to execute the program properly. So let us see what is logos interface window. So here I am using a version of logo. It is called MSW logo. This is the screen for MSW logo. There is a small menu system on the top, and we have a command window here. This is the place where we can enter our commands for this language. This line at the bottom, here we can type logo commands, and either we can simply press enter or we can click on the execute button. So first of all we have to learn some commands in the logo, then only we can go for the programming of logo. If you want the set of commands, or if you want to have a tutorial session, then we can see the reference manual of the logo. So if you go to the help, then we will get the reference manual. So it starts from where to start. So the basic, the unit which is used instead of cursor, it is called a turtle. It's a triangular pointer shown in the screen. This is called a turtle, which we used to indicate the position from where we are doing the actions. So there are some commands called forward, right, and all. Let us try the commands. Forward 100. Let me try it. I am going to give this command in the command window, and I press enter. See, the turtle is moved to 100 units and a line is drawn there on the screen. So it is so simple. If you type forward and give a unit, that much units, the turtle will move forward direction. Forward direction means this is the forward direction to the turtle. And what else? There is another command, right 90. Let us see what is that right 90. Let me give that command and see. Right 90. The turtle is turned to 90 degree towards the right hand side. 90 degree. So exactly vertically it is turned. Again, if I am giving forward 100, again one more line is drawn which is perpendicular or 90 degree with respect to the previous line, and I am turning it again 90 degree. So again the turtle is turned downwards, that is 90 degree towards the previous line, and I am moving the turtle forward 100. one more 100 units, the line is drawn. So let me turn it again by 90 degree. Again the turtle is turned towards 90 degree and again forward 100. So finally I got a square, and the unit of each side is 100 units size, the square of 100 unit size. So there is a command called pen up, pu, and I am going to give forward 100 again. This time the turtle is just moved away. Now we can see our turtle very clearly, but one thing it is special, you might have noticed there is no line drawn here. We have given the same forward 100 here, the same thing we have given previously also, but this time no line was drawn. The reason is pen was up. The concept is so simple. When we write on the paper, we will be pressing the paper and our pen so that the line will be drawn. And if you just move your pen above the paper without touching the paper, it will not draw any line. If you up your pen, or if you give the pen up command, the pen will be up and nothing will be drawn on the screen. The concept is this. So this is the method how we can draw a square using this command. We have used only two commands. One is forward and second one is right 90 degree. So right 90 degree is to turn the turtle towards 90 degree, and forward is to move the turtle towards it. And pen up is the command to lift the turtle up. If you want to put the pen back down, then PED, pen down. So I put the pen down, so now it is touching the paper. If I move forward, instead of typing the complete forward, FD also will go. I am moving the turtle towards 10 points. So it is going to draw a line this way 10 points, because this turtle is facing towards this side. So let me execute it. Yeah, I am getting a small square here. And if I move right, so the shortcut is RT. If I give RT and 90 degree, so again the turtle move 90 degree, turtle will turn 90 degree perpendicular towards the right side. Again I am giving FD10. So a small line of 10 units is drawn. Again I want to turn the turtle 90 degree towards right side. Again I am going to move the turtle forward 90 degrees. One more small line of 10 units. Again let me turn the turtle down by giving 90 degree. Again I am going to draw it. Now a complete square is made of small size 10 units. And now the square is not that clearly visible in this case. So let me move the turtle away. Before that I want to take the pen up, so that without making any line, without drawing any line, I can move the turtle away from that square so that we can see it clearly. So now the pen is up, and FD, I am going to move the turtle forward 20 units. Okay, now we got a small square here and a big square here. What is the difference between the small square and the big square? Both the cases we have turned right side 90 units, but for the small square, the units of measurement we have taken only 10 units, but in the case of big square we have taken the unit of measurement 100. You might have learned centimeter, meter and all for the as a unit of measurement. If this is 100 centimeters, then this is just 10 centimeters. This is small and this is a big line. If you form 4 big lines of 10 centimeters, and each of those lines are created by turning 90 degrees away from the previous one in right direction, then we will be getting a square. The only difference is the unit of measurement, unit of movement or unit of this line is just 10 centimeter here in this case, and in this case it is 100 units. If you want to try one more square in a place somewhere here, so I am going to turn the turtle again right hand side, so it is facing towards this side, and I am going to move it forward 100. Okay, now the turtle is almost in this place. I want to make the turtle facing upwards. Now it is facing upwards. I want to move the turtle a little top about this area. FD 100. Okay, now the turtle is here. Now what I want is to draw a small line, FD 20. Oh sorry, I forgot to put the pen down by giving PD, so there is no line created. Okay, let me keep the pen down, PD, and again I am going to give FD 20. Now I am getting the line here, and now I want to draw a line in this way in 20 units. That means I have to rotate RT, that is right side 90 degree, what is wrong there? RT 90. Okay, instead of RT I wrongly put FT. Okay, that's the wrong thing, so we have to use RT here. Now the turtle is turned about 90 degrees. Now I am going to move it forward 20 units or 20 centimeters for example. Again I am turning it downwards 90 degree. Again let me move it forward 90 degree. Now again I am going to turn it 90 degree. I want to draw the line for 20 units by giving FD. So now the square of 20 centimeters or 20 units is ready. This may not be exactly 20 centimeters, just roughly it is 20 units. I am using the term centimeters only for your reference. Let me up the pen. That's wrong. I have to give, yeah, it's correct, PU, pen up. So one P was in small letter and U was in uppercase. So the logo will not affect, the logo command will not make any difference if you give it in uppercase or lowercase. So whether you want to give it in uppercase or lowercase, that's your wish. Even if it is mixed, it is not going to make any difference. That's what just now we have seen. So let me move it forward, FD. We can give either forward or FD as short, and I am going to move it 100 units so that the turtle move a little bit away and we can see the square properly. Now in these examples, if you want to make a big square, you can do it. If you want a small square, and if you want a medium size square, only if you change the forward direction or the length of the sides, then you can change the sizes of the squares which you are drawing using the logo. Okay, I hope you might have enjoyed this video. Try these commands in your logo video, and in case if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. My email ID is it_teacher1@yahoo.com. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.